Hello dear friends and welcome to the first video of the Excel Equations course, and the videos will be placed inside a playlist called Learn Excel Equations from Scratch to Professionalism. Excel is an application program. What are the application programs mean? They are the programs that instruct the computer to perform specific tasks. What are the specific tasks that Excel instructs the computer to do? All the arithmetic operations and mathematical equations that come to your mind are performed by the Excel program. Excel is the leading program within the group of electronic tables or spreadsheets, which performs all arithmetic operations and mathematical functions very efficiently. The word Excel is derived from the word excellent. It's truly an excellent program. Can you imagine a business, even if it's small, that works without accurate calculations to measure its success? What about large businesses that need to make calculations and statistics on them? You need Excel everywhere in your home, work, and organization. If you are watching this video now, know that the course is especially designed for you. This video is an introduction and basis for the Excel Equations course, which is a framework in which we will explain the basics of the course and how to absorb it. After we've indicated the advantage and the importance of the Excel program, let's point out some important course basics, the first of which is the Office version that you should use. It's known that Excel is one of the application programs of the Office package, and there are old and modern versions of Office. In general, I recommend using at least Office 2013 or later versions. And to me, I use the version 2016. Finally, in this short video, I wanted to explain the outline of the course, and we shed light on what Excel is and its importance in arithmetic operations and mathematical equations. In the next video, we'll begin to explain some of the commonly used arithmetic operations. Thank you and have a nice time. Goodbye.